Monday. Today is Monday, May 24th, 2021. Let's go ahead and sing our days of the week. 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 Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn. Excellent job. So what day of the week did we say it was? Monday, May 24th. Let's go ahead and work on our pattern. So we're going to come back here and we have a kite, kite, kite. Sun, sun, sun. Kite, kite. What goes here? Kite. Good job. What do you think will go on tomorrow's? Now look again. Look, we have a kite, kite, kite. So tomorrow will be a sun. Good job. What day of the week will tomorrow be? Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Ready? There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. All right. We're looking at our weather. We had beautiful weather out yesterday. It was very hot and very sunny. What is the weather out like today? If you look outside our windows, what is the weather like outside today?
Cool.
It is cool, but it
Cloudy.
That's right. It is cloudy. We don't see any rain yet, but it sure does act like it wants to rain out there. Let's make a prediction. What do you think tomorrow?
Sunny.
We have sunny and rainy. So we're going to have some sun and some clouds with some rain.
Yeah.
That's what we think tomorrow's going to be, okay? Let's go ahead and say our ABCs nice and loud. Let me get my pointer. All right, are we ready?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Let's go ahead and count all the way to 15. I want to hear your nice big voices, not your yelling voices, but your big voices, okay? All right, ready? 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15. Good job. Counting backwards from 8. Are we ready? 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Last song.
All right. My friends, what color is my triangle?
White.
Good. What color is my pony?
Pink. Pink.
Excellent. What color is the school bus?
Yellow.
Yellow. What color is Mrs. Hill's favorite snack?
Brown.
Brown. All right. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Triangle. Good. What shape is this?
Octagon.
Octagon. What shape is this?
Rhombus.
Or
Diamond.
a diamond. What shape is this?
Star.
And what shape is this?
Square.
Square. Our nursery rhyme is new this week. It is rain, rain, go away. And we might have to say that because it looks like it's going to rain outside. So this is how it goes. Ready? Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Rain, rain, go away. Little children want to play. Where do you think they want to play?
The playground.
On the playground. They want to play outside. Can they play outside if it's raining?
No.
No. All right. The letter that we are working on this week is the letter
Q.
Q. And Q says quack, quack, like
Queen.
queen and quiet. And
Nickel.
not nickel. Remember, it should start with a sound, not a sound. It is a quarter. Good job. It is a quarter. It is the letter. What letter is that?
Q.
Q. It is the letter Q. It is the letter O with a little slide. All right, let's go ahead and sing our song. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Not jumping, friends. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top? It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? I can't hear you. Reach up. Way up. Top. Reach down. Way down. Bottom. Bottom. All right, standing up, counting. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I want to hear you singing. What? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top? No, it's the middle. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Good job. All right. So what letter did we say we were working on? A Q. And how do you think we are going to make that Q?
2 ovals.
2 curves. We're going to start with that magic C. And then we're going to take another magic C. We're going to flip it around and make the letter O. And then we take a little line. Right here, see our little line? And we're going to turn it and make a
Q.
Yeah, but what is this? What is this?
Line.
The little line, we turn it and we make a slide. What did we make? A slide. We made a little slide and we are going to put it right down here. And we made the letter Q. So when we make the letter Q, I say big curve, keep going round, don't stop till you get to the top, little slide. So one more time, your listening ears are on, your voices are off, and I say big curve, keep going round, please don't stop till you get to the top, little slide. I made the letter Q. Your fingers are up. Your fingers are up. And we say, big curve, keep going round. Please don't stop till you get to the top, little slide. Now remember, it is not a line. Is it this? No. It's not a little line. It's a little slide. Little slide makes the letter Q. And Q says, quack, quack, quack. Good job. All right. That is all for today. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Get outside and play before it starts.